Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix the issue with Battlefield 6, pretty much with secure boot not enabled. So we will just enable secure boot in our BIOS now and fix that issue. So now guys, just go ahead and restart your computer. Alright, and now when the PC is starting up, you're going to press delete button repeatedly, or F2 button depending on what you have and which brand, a PC on desktop or laptop. Just press on delete. Alright, I'm in the BIOS now, and now guys. Okay, so now with your mouse, you want to go into the settings, then you go to security right here, and then as you can see, we have a tab secure boot. Press on that and make sure that your secure boot is enabled, because the anti-cheat of the game will not allow you in if your secure boot is not enabled. And after that, just press F10 or just simply quit, and your changes will be saved automatically. Press on yes and you're done. Enjoy playing the game. Hopefully you have no issues anymore. If this helps, press thumbs up on the video and subscribe to the channel.